What is up, everybody? We're gonna do a review on Bizzy Carbon Monoxide. It released yesterday. I was gonna actually record my first listen, but I knew I had to do that because it wasn't gonna get any less stronger. It was only gonna get more. So I've been listening to it.
Somebody murder your nigga and cover it up. You don't need a gun. It could have been one of the people that wanted them fuck, but we loved everyone. He wanted it all and would kill them into the bed and said they peace. So many love with loving too when they buried them. Wish I was one of the ones that carried them, bury them. That's what I felt, but you don't hear me, bro. I'm feeling like you don't get credit. He started this shit. I believe that I said it just cause he died of AIDS. I'm feeling like niggas is hesitant.
The production couldn't be more phenomenal. And we got to give all that to Blaze. You know what I'm saying? Blaze, you can tell he put his heart and soul into it. And the results was perfection. I like to say flawless victory because it's beautiful, man. The sound is crisp. It's new, yet it's 99. Hence, East 99 time, baby, because he brought it back, bro. This song is my personal favorite, just for personal reasons, you know what I'm saying? Shit I went through in the past during this time of life. And that's the beautiful thing about Bone, and especially Bizzy Bone, is his music's really rhetorical. We all hear it different. We all relate to it a little bit different.
Whatever go happen, I'm finna be going. I'm running with mine. I know I'm a poet. I wrote it no matter what. I'm a.
This is special. Ashanae, Bone Bone, Blaze, Bizzy. Listen. That's Bizzy's sister, Hope's daughter. I seen her on Facebook one other time do something magical, but listen.
Got it out the moment, they worry about nothing. They notice the land, they don't understand. Will you be there for niggas who play when I land in the city? You know I'm the man, I got me your plan. Keeping this shit so when I get off the road, girl, you better be there when I land. Back to the business, when I'm in the city, you know that I'm working, I'm trying to get money, ain't focus on house. Everybody wanna know what we doing, we thugging in the party, trying to get mouth. Thugging it clearly, you know that we thinking, you know that I got it. I'm towing and rocking and chilling with the homies, trying to get money, all in the land, you know that we got it.
Blaze, man, brother can sing, produce, rap, editing, all that shit. When I land in Cleveland, man, it's got a beautiful vibe to it, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool ass song, it's something to smoke to, just, you know what I'm saying? To me, it's like some riding music. When I'm driving a lot too, you know what I'm saying? But it's definitely puts out that rider vibe where you just kick back, light up, smoke one, man, and listen to that beautifulness, because it is powerful, man. The shit is powerful. I want to touch down though on the intro. Check this shit out, man. The very first song. St. Clair Thug.
Bone is back in the studio for a new project called Carbon Monoxide. On you, fuckboys.
On you, fuckboys.
Migos versus Bone was seemingly over late last year, but apparently Bizzy Bone isn't quite ready to let it go.
What up, nigga? It's SCT St. Clair Thug. You gon' need some jet skis to see me.
Now this is some old school Bizzy.
I keep us relevant like a publicist does. Bitch, I can do that and fuck rap. I
Can't remember the song, but no compassion for passion. My cactuses be matching. Let a nigga wear tight jeans and they call that fashion.
This Midwest
This reminds me of that.
Talking your side niggas in motherfucking danger, bitch. I keep no secrets. Instead of being my brother's keeper, I just keep my brother with me. That's my fucking weakness. I'm a fucking genius without the mental issues. My life gets difficult, that's what I get through. I'll get through. I don't need a dress. He facing Arab blood. Bitch, I'm like Caribbean, but with a Corinthians blood. You know I'm different.
I'm only showing samples though, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all need to go buy this, man. It's got 15 bangers on it. 15, you know what I'm saying? One's a skip, but it's a banger because the shit's funny. This shit's funny, so either way, it is what it is. The shit bangs, the shit motherfucking bangs. Check this out though, I wanna show you something. I really like this. I really, really like this one. If I can find it. I don't know if I can. Oh yeah, I can. Check this shit out.
Never asked for much.
Never asked for much.
Was always into something.
I was into something.
Life was rough enough.
Our life was rough enough.
We ain't never had no money.
We ain't never had no money.
We always into something. Our
And
life
life's
was rough
rough enough.
We ain't never asked for money.
We ain't never asked for. They don't want it bad as we do.
I'm a little nigga, we was sitting in the courtroom. Iced out, crucifix, did it sure move. Lights out for the wind when the door moved. Nigga, I can feel the wind, little horn move. Didn't it get cold? Gotta get real back. And everyone admit the haters out of my field day.
Every song's a banger. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys, man.
Money don't grow on trees.
You gotta go buy it.
You made it. Get a little
You
bit of
don't
money,
get
act like
just to
God.
hear it,
Look
you
at
know?
my kids. Got 'em like a terrorist. Let me make this clear. Niggas is weird. Always got demons around us, but nobody hears.
The ones who need to give love, who are lost but dreaming right
Place
now.
is a monster. I can't express that enough. People are afraid of Blaze, man. I swear to God, you can read comments on the internet and know. We ain't never asked for much. They don't want it bad as we do. The dog feels it. That's my dog. He feels it. Lucky for you. Hey, don't mess my video up. Alright, check this out. We're gonna jump to the next.
Don't fall
In love with just money.
Please don't waste your life.
Don't waste your life.
Saw a con on the side and you're alive, and that's because she was a trophy wife.
A trophy of mine.
Don't fall in
I
love
jumped
with just
it.
money. Please
You know we
don't
gonna
waste
snap
your
off
life.
though.
Waste
I got the
your
mind of a
life.
hustler, mind of a thugster, mind of a pimp.
Trophy wife. I sure got the mind of a
Hustler, mind of a hustler, mind of a pimp. Bitch. I got the mind of a hustler, mind of a hustler, mind of a pimp. Bitch.
I got the mind of a hustler, mind of a
But I mean, you can't just hear it. You gotta go buy it. With just money.
Please don't waste your life.
Respect your life.
Saw a con on the side and you're alive, and that's because she was a trophy wife.
A trophy wife.
Don't fall in love with just money. Please don't
Waste your life. Don't waste your life.
It's all gone all of a sudden you're loving. That's because she was a trophy wife. I'm sure I got the mind of a
Hustler, mind of a thugster, mind of a pimp. I got the mind of a hustler, mind of a hustler, mind of a pimp. You dig?
I got the mind of a hustler, mind of a hustler, mind of a pimp.
Bone. Hey, YBL Sinatra's a monster, Bloodline Harmony. Y'all gotta check Famo. But there's 5 of them, you know what I'm saying? Lil Bizzy, YBL Sinatra, that's Bizzy's kids. Then you got Cleve and Throw, that's Heather's kids. And then you got Goldie. And Goldie's a fucking monster. That's Hope's kid. And they all beasts. We all got each other. We all got each other. What? Y'all in the trenches.
Oh, you are so hard.
She keep on stalking me. Classic. Instant fucking classic, man. Bitch ain't never coming back no more. Man, cause Cause I ain't been for long.
The fact that she couldn't see good.
Good.
She lost. All of my niggas said, BB, you tripping, so they seen that bunny.
The whole album's bangers, man.
She being vindictive, but I just...
Look, I'ma just stop right there. If y'all really wanna know how dope this album is, buy it right now. Go buy the shit. Support BB, man. Support Blaze. Support the whole fucking movement. You see, I'm wearing TL right now talking about Bizzy because this teamwork made the dream work, man. Blaze is the fucking truth. Bizzy Bone's the fucking truth. Carbon Monoxide is the fucking truth. I hope everybody stay blessed. That's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. L's up. Devo. Bang, bang. We out of here.
This is what I'm sounding like. 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 When the sky These represent the planet, get schizophrenic and panic, make the past but understand. If they get up their ass and say, how you manage? Paranoid, don't even trust my boys. Watch for the plot and the boys and boys. I'm scoping like it's I'm scoping in alleys with these ghetto girls. And I race up the spots, sneakers and Cali. Take bullets to the race, don't run. Gee, that's what another guy. You're crucified, but you're suicide. Who am I? Local with vocals. I'm gonna boom and ride for show. Deception, whether my brother in the sunny days. What they call it? Get killed when you get the number of a weapon. When the doctor sending me down to myself in the ocean. Spirit is tough from the blood, I'm full of this independence. Even attention, nobody knows. I'm even against me. When you're probing, never the mention of my lady. And we can get it. And we can get it. And we can get it. This is what it sounded like. 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 When the dogs cry. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. This is what it sounded like. 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 We keep the lights on the ruthless and nine. Up in the bars and back the stacks and take the drums off and my shit goes on. None of this business, get your sickness and the city. Get your little divide and conquer. But my sister was ready to bomb and get up and do it. Get up off my boys, making my boys. Give us a choice. How could you ever so solely that I was the only one making noise? They're gonna preach and trust. Look in the gutter. Never touch you. Goodbye to couple words. I didn't deserve it, but what if I lost at the game in the office and nobody knows when they put his focus on top of Versace clothes? Give them the nose. Crazy Picasso. Little daisies like Jesus. Back to the best. She in casino and rich. Don't give a fuck. I'm Campino. Gonna walk in dead. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Bible of survival. 666 rivals. 666. Now maybe you say I read, but I'm broken. Niggas that was in the club and I'm feeling strapped to the next one. Pictures to get to the realest, the realest, the realest, the realest. Hear what it sounded like. Hear what it sounded like. Hear what I'm sounding like. Hear what it sounded like. Hear what it sounded like. With the sky. With the sky. Hear what it sounded like. 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 Hear what I'm sounding like. It'll make your body shake when it's too late. Soon as you flip off the stage, baby, this week all they don't tell me you crazy. But it's something. For the reason this week been with her and the demons so cheap. And the she peeping go deep. Keep in your pockets no cheap. But I've been my crucifix loose. I'm using the use. The screw that is wicked. And the screw that is ghetto. And the screw that is chicken. Chain. Enemies attacking. Actually, I'm in the greatest list of majesty. These casualties when they pass in the pie. Wanna get that rolling when it's so cold in the room. Who's storming? Better come after me. We say, on into battle. We battle. When the this is what it sounded like. When the this is what it sounded like. 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 When my God was good. 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 When my God was good.
Yeah, let's reset it.
Yeah. So this one right here, I like to slow it all the way down and get real with the people that I rock with. This grown people music. It's for the babies too, y'all get it. Nobody can stop me now. Look at my sister siding with my baby mammy, like she can't stand me. Say family be the first to turn so petty.
Philomene on my granny, celebrate the Grammy, damn. Who would've knew no planning was so perfect, all of my damn. Never forget that. Tripping on foster home, saying I wasn't manly, with a scarred up soul, but I keep my skeletons understanding. What if I said I was molested? Would you look at me pale? But I keep on failing, and I hope I don't go to hell stressed out or well. Then I saw my bio, I was born in Ohio, already on trial, cause God said I look too right, but mom's is white. I still had your smile, and look at me now, gotta be proud of myself. Ain't nobody else, and I'm so worried about my health. And now if I'm taking care of my kids, how will I live? If I ain't hustling, still keeping Jesus a part of solutions. He gives life in my lungs, breath through my tongue. Oh, here we come. Nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me now. Nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop me now. And now on the third damn marriage, your man acting like you care. Apparently till you perish, but I was always there for you. Even though you let me leave, he's beating the shit out of me too. Wonder why I got these bodyguards and I'm in charge. Watch me sleep, the pay is me, but stay with me and keep my collateral will never. Back then see me with easy as a child, a guy with the underdog, never applaud. Watch you reminisce through my fog. Moving and never moving up, think of all the fucked up shit you saw. Only if you knew what I was going through. What am I going through, going through, going through? If only you knew. What am I going through? Nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me now. Nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop me, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop me now. With the weight of the world, can't stop my girl from stepping, looking for affection in wrong places. My lesson to learn, well turned. The enemy gets the worm. What if it's rotten while you rushing for love and get burned? 5 kids, that's my only concern. I was a father before I became a man. Society don't comprehend. I'm worthless till I can purchase what they purchase. But I understand, behind closed curtains, you're working on being a man. Yes, yes, be what Jesus will prepare and hopefully repair. Yes, God would have wanted it really, really. Get obedience, see the thought, wash your sins, then it's true, you can be born again. Nobody can stop me, nobody can, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop, nobody can stop me now. Alright fellas, you ready? What am I going through, going through, going through? What am I going through, going through, going through? What am I going through, going through, going through? If only you knew. What am I going through, going through, going through? What am I going through, going through, going through? What am I going through, going through, going through? If only you knew. What am I going through? You know I had to get deep. You know I had to get deep with y'all. I like to talk to y'all throughout my shows, like straight up talk to y'all, like this was up. Deep conversation. Y'all doing good so far? I see the kids up here. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? Who didn't get a shirt over here? I seen a couple of y'all didn't get no shirt. You didn't get no shirt.
We got out of jail.
All right, cool.
Woods, and we were all coming up out having shower cap on and a little Raiders shirt on, and he said, let's get a picture. Let's get a picture.
Joe,
Thugs
where's my
worldwide.
CD?
Cleveland to LA, nigga, whatever you say.
I put on my west and you brought me. And I'm stressing it softly. Get him a coffee, cause softly. Well, it was harm, it didn't bother me. Up out of my ghetto, I won't settle. Get on my level, they can't stop me or drop me. Nigga, they got me fucked up. Little pockets schizophrenic, let's manage the parents. How they are. I really wanna get a bullet and I wanna let them jump. I'm gonna tell me, hey, look at them up. There's a big attack, no gas. I'm gonna get the door for the murder. My heart, but when I did it, all for the cause. And now, nigga pulling out a little nigga with my heart. But the niggas out. All y'all boys, busy getting busy to test me. Best of all, you can test to progress me, stress me. Looking at death with the last of my breath. While I follow my keeping on city. Get up in this cap with the best of my seat. Keeping the lead to my love, nigga. Believe it, I can see it. The nigga, if you really want me, you're gonna see it. somebody got to play. Y'all know this one right here, right? I can hear it. Y'all know this one right here? Let's rock,